Yellow. Today we're going to go over real quick how to create a drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. We're going to add an additional sheet, press the plus button at the bottom, right click on it and say rename, call it data. Add in a title for the drop-down menu you're going to create. For the example, we're going to use done. Then put in the fields about what you're going to select from. Here I'm going to say yes, no, in process, and NA. A second field will be percent. I'm going to put in 0%, 25%, 50%, and 100%. Now we teach Excel that this is actually a group of items that we're going to turn into a list. So select all the items, right click, define name, put in the title, in this case done, hit OK, select my percentages, same thing, right click, define name, in this case I'm going to leave it called percent. OK, go back over to sheet 1, right click on data, and hide data. That way no one goes in and messes with your fields. I'm going to add in headers, in this case steps, done, and percent. I'll use this video for an example. Plan, record, edit, and upload. Select the fields that I want to be able to fill in. Select data at the top. Select data validation. Change from any value to list. And the source will be equals the title, in this case done. Do the same thing for percent, select the fields, click on data validation, change from any value to list, source equals percent. And now I've got my little drop downs, so we can say planning was done, percent was 100%. I see how I put it in as a 1. That's because I don't have these fields formatted for percentages. In order to do that, I select the fields, go back to my Home tab, click on the drop down for General, and click on Percentage. Now it shows it as a percent. Record, in process, we'll call that 50% done. Edit is no. We'll call that 0% done, and upload is no. We'll call that 0% done. That's all the quick steps on how to create a drop-down menu in Excel. If this was helpful to you, please help me and add a like and a subscribe to the channel. That way you know when I put up more tutorials like this. If you have any questions, comments, or ideas for other videos, let me know in the comments below. Peace!